hello, hi. Welcome back to another episode of Unique You, an initiative from RCJVPD. So that's Raksha and this is Simran, your host and host.
We are here with Unique You. So every time we bring new beautiful women with new stories. Every story holds something very unique, and that is unique they, unique me, and unique she. And she, Simran, a symphony of passion and joy. Engineer by degree in digital dreams, she finds her role. With music and flavor, she unwinds with flair. A foodie at heart, spreading joy everywhere. Family first, her anchor, her guide. With love and honesty, she walks with pride. A vibrant spirit, bold and free, Simran shines. Just wait and let's see. Here we welcome my host and host Simran Kalwani.
Thank you, Raksha, for the awesome introduction. Means really a lot. And the shine is because of you all. So, with a visionary heart and an entrepreneur fire, she transforms ideas into legacy that inspire. A change maker, a fearless and rebel with a grace. She thrives where boldness and brilliance embrace. A power woman, unstoppable and bold, turning innovations into stories untold. Founder of My Kid, where creativity folds. Director at SRG, where excellence grows. A leader of force with wisdom so vast. As Rotary's JVPD president, she builds to outlast. She doesn't just walk, she ignites the way. A trailblazer, a powerhouse. Meet Raksha today.
Thank you so much, Simran. What a lovely introduction she has built on. So, the journey isn't stopped because we are unstoppable. Let's introduce our beautiful Kavita Bubna and the creative Dipali Agrawal.
So, Dr. Kavita Bubna and Dipali Agrawal, welcome to our beautiful podcast. And we are so happy to have both of you all here and looking forward to a very insightful session.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you, Raksha, for having us on the board. Thank you.
It's our privilege, Dr. Kavita. So Dipali Agrawal has a business of customized gift for children, adults, events, and all for all occasion. And she's supported by the business with her husband Anuj. Her passion for creating something new and different and customizing is what that drives her to give her best at her work. And we all can vouch for it because we have seen her work and it's amazing. Her creativity is to another level.
That's
Thank you
very
so
true.
much.
That's very true. And we are the happy customer again with the Dipali's Creative
Yes.
Corner. So here, that isn't enough. We are having something more interesting in the house as we welcome Dr. Kavita Bubna. Dr. Kavita is a renowned homeopath practicing in Ville Parle East since 23 years. Oh my God. Patients suffer with lot of different problems. She got a little inclined to add more in her practice, likewise providing little nutritional help for medical illness like diabetes, thyroid disorder, PCOD problems, etc. Patients with hormonal problems had to suffer from obesity, so she got help of slimming machines for patients treatment them naturally without any health risk or healthy hazards. Oh, that's so wonderful about Kavita. You are really doing a great job.
Thank you.
And I've seen her work and she's been my dietitian and she's wonderful.
Yeah.
She's really wonderful.
So she's beautifying and nurturing from inside. That's
Yeah.
so beautiful
Yeah,
about Dr.
yeah.
Kavita.
A healthy lifestyle is where she guides everybody,
Yeah.
and I'm so happy to be under her. So, Dipali, tell us about your career journey. I'm sure you must be creative, but did you think your passion is going to be converted into your work?
So actually, it was very different. I started off with studying fashion designing. So I'm actually a fashion designer. In fact, I practiced for about 2 to 3 years till we got married, and then I had a son. So I took a break, and then along with Anuj, my husband, we got into this business of doing customized gifting. So initially we started off with corporates, and we did a lot of basic stuff like mugs and t-shirts for events and all of that. And gradually I started my own range of products for kids especially. And slowly we moved on to adults, and now we have practically like an entire range of about 500 products that we are selling online also, and we are customizing them offline. So that's what my journey has been like,
so
and I love my
wonderful.
work, and I'm a workaholic, and I'm totally passionate about my work.
And that shows in your work, Dipali.
Actually.
So, Dipali, are you all present on any e-commerce websites?
Yeah, so we are present on Amazon,
Oh,
and we
nice.
have our own website
so,
also.
so we can find you on Amazon
yes,
as well.
absolutely.
Oh.
absolutely.
And you know, she's
Wonderful.
having such a wide range, about like almost 500 range
Yeah.
of creative products, and it's all customized.
Yes, everything is
Oh, that's so
customized.
fascinating, don't you
In
think,
fact,
Simran?
everything is manufactured in-house, designed right from the designing to the final product. Everything is done in-house.
That's so
Oh,
good.
that's fantastic.
That's so good.
And so here we are having Dr. Kavita, 23 years vast experience.
Yeah.
Share about your journey, like from a small startup, you have been grown to such a beautiful clinic, which we have recently attended at the inauguration. So how come so far with the journey of this beauty?
So yeah, actually it's my dream come true. I never thought I will come on this platform, and I'm really blessed and very happy about it. So actually it began, I got engaged during my internship, and my husband Neeraj, he was really very like, whatever you want to do, you can start your practice immediately. Second day he got me a place. I started my small practice, homeopathy practice over there. And we are always taught in homeopathy, like, you know what, like cures like. So from inside you cure from outside. That way.
True.
So when I started, slowly I got my first child. I actually wanted to go into allopathy. I lost by 1 marks and I got into homeopathy. But the passion towards homeopathy was also very, very good. Along with homeopathy, I always wanted to do something. You know, my practice grew. I got my I delivered my children, and but still my passion was there for something. I actually wanted to do something more. So then I was actually very inclined towards obesity. Why? Because I used to get a lot of patients suffering from lot of, especially women. So a lot of suffering from random thyroid issues, hormonal issues. Along with only homeopathy was not helping them. So then I thought, well, let's do something else. I took some nutritional support, so I did my diploma after my second child.
Oh,
So diploma in nutrition, and there I used to study whole night. You know, my husband used to help me, and that's how I learned it. I did my distinction into that, and then I started applying it in my practice. And when my patients, they actually started getting results along with diet, and then I started with some machines also. Now what happened? They started losing weight. They are having thyroid issues or PCOD. So my homeopathy medicine started also working. Only medicines were not helping because there were a lot of other issues also involved with.
True.
Along with this. Slowly it all started increasing, and then I thought, you know, let's add something else. So everything should be under one roof. So then I made my clinic into a wellness clinic. So people with PCOD coming with skin issues. So I did lot of courses from Dubai. I did few workshops in Mumbai, and I started helping them. So everything under one roof. My patients were really very happy. They don't have to go anywhere because they trust me, they faith me so good, and that's how I started growing.
That's so
Growing,
good,
yeah.
Dr.
So
Kavita,
really
because I have seen you changing lifestyles. I've seen you healing people,
Yeah.
and that's so amazing. You know,
Thank
the
you.
before and after transformation,
Yeah.
and it's always not about the weight also.
Exactly.
Because it's not only to look good; it's also because you know it's for
The
your being
vitamins,
healthy.
yeah.
True.
It's being healthy, and you have always encouraged to eat healthy and be healthy. That's
Exactly,
so
exactly.
good.
Because nowadays the scenario is completely changed. People are just going for a lot of food which is not suiting everyone. So the correction has to be there.
Right.
It has to be from inside.
So yes, two beauties are here. So I just want a one-liner mantra from both of you to stay fit, happy and healthy.
So I could say that be positive and always be grateful, because every day is a new day, and embrace whatever comes your way.
That's
And
very
so
nice.
And I've always seen Dipali very positive and ever smiling.
Thank
She's
you.
actually, and you know as we all know, like, and you are a doctor, so you must be knowing more. So it's a happy hormones, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
keeping
Very-
yourself always smiling
Yeah,
is
yeah.
such a beautiful thing around us. We create a positive
Right,
energy.
right.
So yeah, we would like to hear from you.
So like, you know what, there is a happy hormone called serotonin. So if suppose you are happy from from inside, that hormone gets released in your system, and automatically all the things becomes much better.
Much better.
So I really feel, give to the world the best you have. The best will come back. So you exercise, stay healthy, stay happy, stay focused, be positive about everything, and definitely chase your dreams. And definitely, whatever you feel, you will get it.
Actually.
And Dr. Kavita, it shows on you.
Yeah.
Yes. It
So
actually
yes,
shows on you.
this is just a energy pulling manifestation, which nowadays it's a very and it actually works. I strongly believe in. You must have manifested one day that I'd be having such kind of this new
exactly.
setup, so
Yeah.
that actually worked.
Yeah.
So yes,
Yeah, and
prayers
I-
are heard always.
Right. And I would like to add one more thing. So basically, I wanted to be an allopath. I wanted to do MBBS because I didn't do that. I always manifested someone in my family. So for my daughter, I always used to manifest. And believe me, it happened. She has become a doctor now. Today, in few couple of days is her convocation. And I'm on my cloud 9.
It's such
I know,
a
very. So it's my dream, what I thought for myself, my daughter is doing.
Yeah, she's
Actually,
fulfilled it.
and
It's
seeing
done.
your children doing and excelling and
It's the
achieving,
thing, yeah.
it's the
It's
next
the thing.
level. It's
Yeah.
actually next
It's
level.
a-
And it all happens from your all loved one support,
True.
their unconditional love to yourself, to everyone.
Her daughter has already pursued and she is an MBBS. And another doctor is on the go, which is Simran's daughter. You have one son with
Yes, and he's doing his computer engineering. He's in the second year of his engineering. So he's totally connected with tech world and he's a techie. So that's his passion and that's what he's doing.
And let me complete. He's a cyclist.
Oh yes, that's a major part of his
Yes.
life too. He's a cyclist and believe me, he's a Gen Z. But he gets up at 3 in the morning
Oh
because
my
he
God.
wants to go cycling
That's
and
brilliant.
he probably does like 100 kilometers at a go, which is like mind blowing for us. I mean, it's amazing the
It's
kind of
so
passion and
fascinating,
drive that he
actually.
has.
And he's won awards in cyclotron.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
God,
that's
amazing.
so nice.
Yeah.
But Dipali, how do you manage two boys?
All of us women are multitaskers, and I think we can manage all kinds of men, all their moods, all their tantrums, and everything. That's why women are women.
Actually, we wear so many hats and we juggle it so beautiful.
beautiful,
you,
yes.
Dr. Kavita, you tell me, you're a mom of 3 kids. How, I mean, आपको देख के लगता नहीं है it's Shazana. So how, what do you do, in your pastime? How do you spend time with them? Because I'm sure, you're so busy at the clinic.
And you're a
with so
full-time
many-
working
Yeah.
mommy, so it must
You
be
have
a
long
challenge.
hours at the clinic. So how do you manage that?
Yeah, so definitely it's a tough thing, but I pre-plan my days, and with all my help and support of my children, I'm blessed with very beautiful and very supportive children, my daughters. My younger one is also doing nutrition, she's also into her final year.
Oh, that's nice.
And with support of all my extended family, I'm really I plan my day with my house help, everything. I manage my things very well in advance. And by the end of the day, when I come back from my work and all, we play a lot of board games with them. So that, our memory is working, all my brain cells are active.
So nice. So I think a major takeaway from Dr. Kavita now is planning of the day.
And discipline.
Pre-planning of
Yes.
the day really helps
Yeah.
you. So I'm sure Dipali, even you must be pre-planning because you go to work
absolutely. So
also.
let me tell you something really funny. So every night I sit with my to-do list, and my husband Anush really finds that funny because I'm like jotting down what I need to do the next
Everything,
day.
actually. The same here. I always, every morning I start with this task, to-do
Yes.
task.
End of the day, I'm like ticking off whatever is done. So he's always making
That's a
fun
better
of
practice.
us.
So here I would like to add not just the planning, to follow with the discipline actually makes the difference.
Very
So
true.
that's
Discipline is really
actually for the
important.
working mommies, it really makes the difference.
Otherwise, it is very hard.
Otherwise, it's
Yeah.
difficult.
So good to have both of you all here, both of you all, are all the same, discipline, multitasking, pre-planning.
Yes,
so much to
yes.
learn from you all both.
So
happy
much to
have
learn
you
from
all.
both of you as well.
No,
Let
thank you
us,
so much.
Tell us about the vibrant journey this year. We would like to hear from both of you.
Yeah, so I will like to add. So Raksha had invited me as a guest for a very well organized event in a school. As it was a science project, and I was being a doctor, actually it is always my subject, my passion subject. So I was like, okay, I will do. So I had a lot of patience that day, but I managed. I am like, okay, I am planning to go and I will go. And believe me, the The project was so good, so organized, and I could see beautiful projects done by, rightly said in your previous
Podcast. yeah.
previous podcast. There's one my friend said about it. It was really so well organized. Our kids, ICSE, IB schools, IB students also can't make that thinking, that process, that creativity what they did with very simple minimalist things. Which, you know what, our children, they require, you know what, we go to market, we buy so many expensive things for them, and then they make a project, or we pay so much to make a project. But I was thrilled, I was very happy about that. And thanks Raksha to organize that beautiful project. I had attended your breast mammography cancer screening also. That was also very good. Yes, and congratulations. Keep
Thank
it up.
you so
keep the
much
good
for
work.
always being available whenever we
yeah.
require
I try my-
your hands.
Yes,
So,
yes.
So Dipali, we would love to hear from you now.
I think the year has been absolutely vibrant under the leadership of Raksha, Simran and their team, and they've done like a lot of diverse things. What I really like is that they have actually managed to pull in everybody, almost everybody from the club to contribute in some or the other activity or some or the other way, which hasn't really happened in so many years. You know, all the new members, old members, in whatever way they can contribute, they have participated. And that is so good because the essence of Rotary is actually bringing people together,
yeah.
and bonding at different levels, which has really happened this time. So I'm really happy about that.
That's so nice
And
to
that's
hear
really
from
nice.
you.
Thanks.
It
They have
really means a
actually-
lot to us
Yeah.
It means a lot, and thank you for participating wholeheartedly
throughout
during
the
this
year. Yes.
It means a lot.
More than obliged to do that.
Very,
More
very
than
happy.
So thank you both of you all. It has been very insightful session with both of you all, and we'll
Same here. Same here.
Yeah.
And we'll be sharing their handle details in the description.
In the caption,
Yeah.
yes.
So please go follow their handles and connect with them. I'm sure they'll give you a good experience.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Stay
Thank
bold, stay beautiful, because we are the vibrant queens. Thank you.
Thank you.